Let me know. These lorikeet eggs are incredibly fragile at this stage.
The humidity levels are stable here. And the new feedings seem to be working well.
And here it is, the first precious rainbow lorikeet egg, discovered nestled deep within the wooden box.
Gently now. These lorikeet eggs are incredibly fragile at this stage.
The growth in egg production has been remarkable. We are seeing multiple clutches across the facility.
The facility's major organization upgrade introduces new labeled zones and improved metal shelving, streamlining daily operations.
The expanded facility will provide significantly more space for the birds, improving their habitat.
The expansion includes these new automated feeding lines, ensuring the lorikeets have constant access to fresh nectar and fruit.
The automated feeder calibration is complete.
Excellent, and the misting systems are fully optimised as well.
The Rainbow Lorikeet facility now houses noticeably more birds as the flock expands beautifully across this.
Fully automated nectar dispensing systems now operate across the Rainbow Lorikeet facility, ensuring a steady supply of nutrients for the birds.
The expanded freshwater lines ensure a constant supply, essential for the health and vibrancy of our rainbow lorikeet population.
The success of the program is clear. Egg production has surged dramatically across the facility.
Here in the climate-controlled facility, thousands of rainbow lorikeet eggs are preserved in perfect conditions, safeguarding the species' future. Here we see the advanced handling system gently transferring the delicate rainbow lorikeet eggs from the carts into the preparation racks.
The expansion has allowed us to significantly increase our capacity. Our new state-of-the-art aviaries are managed.
This is the heart of the facility, where millions of rainbow lorikeet eggs are incubated under perfect conditions. Check the oxygen levels in sector gamma.
Readings are stable, Doctor. The heartbeats are strong.
deep within the facility, the slightest tremor signals the imminent arrival of new life. The tension is palpable.
In the chick nursery, we use a specialized formula to hand feed the lorikeets, ensuring their healthy development before they fledge. At the Mega Facility, we carefully monitor growth stage 1. These tiny rainbow lorikeets are just starting to develop their pin feathers.
Scene 52, automation systems active. All automation systems run at peak efficiency across the Rainbow Lorikeet Mega Facility. With the integration of biometric data and high-resolution tracking, the health of the flock can be monitored in real time.
Welcome to the world's largest lorikeet production facility, where technology meets nature on an unprecedented scale.
They're adjusting well to the aviary. It's wonderful to see them flying free. The delivery was a complete success.
Smooth operations and strategic expansion have paved the way for remarkable financial success across the board.
A majestic aerial shot reveals the sheer scale of this mega facility, a vibrant sanctuary for countless